Hello guys, my name is Gideon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to rotate an image on your iPhone. But before we dive into that, please remember to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button, so that whenever I release an exciting video like this, you'll be notified. So let's dive into the business of the day. Okay, so now you go to your photos and select the picture which you want to rotate. I've already selected this one. Now you click on the picture or the photo and click on edit. Then you look at the down side of the screen and you see the crop button. It will take you to this page. You see this icon at the left hand corner. You click on it and now you can rotate this picture to any angle you want. You click on this, you can turn it and rotate it, you see. So I will be leaving it like this. So guys, this is how to rotate an image on your iPhone. So please, before you leave, remember to turn on the notification button and click on the subscribe button, please. Thank you.